Crazy Larry live on location. I'm at the back of the YWCA, May 13th, about 12:42, and these guys and Ray, the owner there on the backhoe, are replacing the valves for the main water lines there. Actually, the sewage lines.
Okay, we'll just set this off to the side.
You want to just put it right out of there and put collars in first?
No, there'll be room if I set it down in the middle to put collars on both sides.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
And there he goes, all the safety factors you can ever ask for.
Okay, now.
Better than NASCAR. This guy's a very safe, fast, efficient. It's the company you want to choose to have. I'm just sitting here having my coffee.
Okay.
YWCA back there. And here's the kind of valve they just picked up, and they're putting that valve in over there on another pipe that's like that, only over there. Hey, Alberta, big hello. How big is that line, the water line? 14 inch?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. These guys really know what they're doing. This is precision and professional work, and that's why the town called them. They are the dream team of all kinds of things, actually. And here he comes, you guys. This is Ray, the owner. He's got the experience and he's professional, and he's got everything dialed in for safety that you can think of, and they're about to put the valve in right now. So if you kids learn your math and stay in school, you'll be able to do this one day. Okay, let's let them do their work. Crazy Larry live on location, and I'm going to show you really quick here just how good a company can get, and they do it all. Fast, professional. There it is. It's called Suck It Up, and environmental services. Working to keep our environment clean, and that's what they do. Hydro excavating, storm and sanitary sewer flushing, sewer lagoons, retention ponds. Wow, CBs and dry wells. CCTV pipe inspections, forget what that is. Smoke testing, pipe bursting, pipe realigning, installation, water, sewer, power, gas locates. Wow. Lift sanitation, manhole rehab, space entry equipment, excavators, gravel, trucks and loaders. They have it all. Power pole, anchor, and installation. That's them, you guys. These guys are fast, professional, and they do it all. Wow. You got all the equipment you can think of. It's the full deal meal here. It's like an emergency response team. They got it all, and everything's got its spot in the van there and in the truck, so they can pull it out. It's organized. Doesn't get any better than this. And Ray and I forget what's his name, and I'm just having my coffee. We're at the bridge here. This is where the pipeline goes across and comes back for sanitation. And there's Ray.